Welcome to the Grilling Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. Today, we're going to do one of my favorite fish, salmon. And what we do with our salmon is we create a pouch out of aluminum, and then we put our ingredients in it, and we create just a little opening so that the smoke will go in and grill the salmon. So as you can see a little bit, we have a little bit of onion, some sliced lemon, butter, and our favorite seasonings. Check out the blog to get the list of the seasonings. But what we did was we just had just regular charcoal. We don't want any wood flavor on it or anything today. We're just going to do a nice charbroiled salmon. So we're going to stick our aluminum pouches on the grill like such. And that's really it, family. We just cover it up. We're going to let it cook about 20 minutes. And then it's going to be ready to eat. Alright, family, we finished cooking our salmon. So we're going to get it off the grill. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, family, so we got our salmon off the grill. We're going to open it up. Using this aluminum foil, the juices were able to cook inside of it. It really keeps it nice and moist. You don't want your salmon to dry out. So as you can see the butter melted in there. We can see the nice tender onions. So all of that cooked really well. So we're just gonna get a little piece right here. Look at that, real nice, very nice color, very nice texture. It's tender as well and juicy. So this is gonna be real good. All right, family. Thank you for joining the Grilling Oasis. We'll see you next time.